what kind of different roles would be there? So you might have already heard me calling it end users, core users, consultants, right? So there would be different roles which can happen in SAP project. First role is the end user. End user means that who is the one would be the using this process. Okay, so we have a different people, right? Let's say we talk about this time, I will be talking about production. In production, you would be having your supervisors, you would be having your engineers, you would be having your managers, you would be having your planners, okay? You would be having your senior managers, you would be having your quality control staff. So these all would be the end users. They are doing the operational work. The supervisor job is to make sure the manufacturing happens, and he's responsible to give an output of 500 pieces from his line on the daily basis. He has a set of users working on his line, and his responsible is that the 500 pieces need to be delivered on the daily basis. So he's working on the operations. End user means they are the core operations guys. You are working onto the operations, right? So your job is to get the production done. Okay, so that is you are focusing. But to get the production done, you need to know that which order I need to produce, whether the order is released or not, which machine I need to use, what is my bill of material for this order, what component I need to use it. And then once it has been, the production has been done, you will say, okay, I confirm the production has been done. Now, all these things would be coming it from, the system, right? From the SAP system. So they would be going to the SAP system to make sure that they get all the information from the SAP system. That's what the end user would be doing. That would be the role of the end user.